Nobody ever chooses to get a knee replacement until they just can't take it any longer. I couldn't sleep at night because the pain kept me awake. I can sleep at night. So that's the biggest thing, I had bilateral knee replacements and had it done at Community South. Well, it pretty much started about 12 years ago, and it limited me on everything I did. And everything that we did do, we worked around my knees. I had used Community for a few other surgeries that I've had, and just happens to be right across the street from where I lived. It's Dr. Kevin Julian, and I loved him. I walked in the first time, and even though he's sitting on a chair and I'm on a table, and he's looking at my knee, he takes the time, and when he's saying something, he was always looking at my face. And I just felt very comfortable with him. The original plan, we were going to just do one knee. And so I left kind of disappointed that it was one knee. So I called him back the next day because I knew that two could be done. And I told him, I said, only you know whether I'm strong enough physically. But I can tell you, spiritually, emotionally, I'm ready. So they did agree that they would reach out to my other two doctors. And if they said I was good to go, then he would do it. And they said, oh yeah, she can handle anything you throw at her. So, yay! So they give us a guidebook to follow, answer your questions and stuff prior to surgery and even after surgery. And I refer to my guidebook a lot. So I was well informed prior to surgery. I know that I've got titanium, I believe, in 3 places in both knees, and I have the potential of setting alarms off at airports. I came home on Thursday. I believe I started home therapy on Saturday, and it was just wonderful. I mean, I didn't have any pain for the first time in 12 years. Anybody needs to have it done, I would tell them that they need to go to Community South. They made me feel like I was their only patient, that I was 100% the only thing that they cared about. I can tell you that even though there's nothing fun about surgery, it was not the worst days I ever had. Most of the days in the past 12 years were worse than anything I had after surgery. We've gone to Gatlinburg, and we've hiked 5 or 6 trails in there since surgery. And I would say to anybody who was thinking about it, do it now, don't put it off. If I had done it 12 years ago when they first told me I needed it, I just can't imagine what I've missed in the past 12 years.